Toggle the F stick in the upper right corner repeatedly 5 times to erase the historical data. After the initialization is successful, the remote control has a voice prompt. At the same time, there will be a green text prompt in the upper left corner of the screen. Push 2 rockers to the inside of the bottom, the joint takes off. After takeoff, fly the joint to the spring starting point and hover it. Shift the E stick to the far right, while shifting the F stick to the middle to determine point A. After determining point A, there will be a setting window on your remote screen. You can edit auto flight parameters here. After the setup is complete, manually control the joint until it reaches the boundary, and toggle the F stick to the far right to determine the point B. After determining point B, the joint is manually controlled. At the same time, the AB line work route has been generated in the app. Click the Continue button and there will be 3 spots as options. Spot 1 means to continue spring from the breakpoint. Spot 2 means stop spring until joint automatically flies to the end of the route and is ready to turn. Spot 3 means that the joint immediately switches to the next route for spring. Now demonstrate the spot 1. Green represents sprayed areas. We can see that the option 1 is perfectly connected from the breakpoint. Now switch to option 2. We can see that the course turns red and the joint stops spraying. When the joint reaches to the boundary and is ready to return, the joint sprays again and the course turns to green. Now switch to option 3. It shows that the joint does not continue to fly along the road and turns immediately to the next road and continue to spray. Next is to manually extend or shorten the road. When the joint is about to reach the border, push the red rocker up. Instead of turning, the joint keeps moving forward. When the joint reaches your desired location, release the red rocker. The new route will also be generated as indicated. When you want to shorten the route, you don't need to wait until the joint flies to the border. Manually force the joint to turn, the redundant routes are automatically deleted. When you want to suspend the AB line work, switch the E stick to the middle on the far left. The route of AB line will instantly disappear on the screen. At this point, you can manually fly the joint to the starting point. After the joint lands and the motor is turned off, the app will automatically generate a report of spring record. Before replacing the battery or refilling pesticides, make sure the motor is completely turned off. After everything is ready, take off the joint manually again. Hover the joint in the air and then move the E stick to the far right. The joint will automatically return to the breakpoint and continue spraying. When the joint reaches to the breakpoint, there will be a prompt in the upper left corner of the screen to show that the mission starts and the course turns to green again.